In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage reminders within QuickBooks Online. This is an invaluable tool for staying on top of your financial tasks, ensuring you never miss a deadline for your transactions, bills, or payroll. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. Begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. For this guide, we'll use Google Chrome, which is often a preferred browser for many due to its compatibility and speed. Head over to the URL qbo.intuit.com. Once there, input your email and password. After entering this information, you should be logged in and ready to explore QuickBooks' vast array of features. Now that you're logged in, our next focus is on accessing the Reminders section. To do this, you'll need to locate the gear icon, which is typically situated in the top right corner of your screen. This icon holds a variety of essential settings and options that you might frequently use while working with QuickBooks. Once you've clicked on it, look under the Your Company section and select Account and Settings. Now you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. From this menu, navigate to the Advanced tab. Go ahead and scroll down until you find the Reminders option. Once you've reached the Reminders section, it's time to view your comprehensive list of reminders. To do this, simply click on View List or Manage Reminders. Here you will find a detailed list that includes overdue transactions, upcoming bills, invoices that need to be sent, and even payroll reminders if they apply to your business. This list is crucial as it gives you a clear overview of what needs your attention in terms of financial responsibilities. Having identified what's on the reminder list, it's time to get into the customization of these reminders to suit your specific needs. Next to each reminder type, there's an Edit button, typically represented by a pencil icon. Clicking on this lets you tailor each reminder according to your preferences. You have the ability to turn certain reminders on or off depending on your current business needs. Also, you can determine how many days in advance you wish to receive these reminders, giving you ample time to address any upcoming tasks. Moreover, it's possible to assign these reminders to specific users within your company, ensuring that the right person gets notified about the right task. After making all the necessary changes, be sure to click Save. This step is crucial to ensure all your customizations are locked in and activated. Once you've saved your changes and are satisfied with your setup, click Done to exit the Settings menu. There you have it, a streamlined and personalized reminder system within QuickBooks Online, helping you to manage your financial obligations with ease and efficiency.